Hello, so it's so beautiful at the riverside. So today me and some of my friends are here at the picnic. We get into the nature, the beauty, jungles, rivers. Everything is so beautiful. You could see here the trees, the jungles. Come up! This space where nobody lives. Even there isn't anything you could see. All you could see is the rock, the mountain, the forest, and the river. So I'm gonna have fire and I'll cook today right over in this place. Let me find some rock. Okay, this one is good. I will make fire. Okay, so it's good. Oh, we'll get fire over here. And then this is right here. We'll put noodles and everything right here. So here we have wood for fire. This is for wood. So it's never that easy to get fire. Making fire is not easy. If you have lived in a village, then you could know how to find it. It's never that easy. So guys, I'm on the way to get water. Here in this container, I will get water. You could see the rivers right down there. Here, I'll get water. Spring water. It's very good and healthy, pure natural water. It's a good, we'll use it. Okay, so we have got water. It's here, you can see a very cold and clean water. It's spring natural water. So first put the butters, and then bring the tea, Then after put this natsamba, traditional Tibetan wheat flour. It's very good. First you should fry the wheat and then powder it. Then mix it well. If you like sugar, you can also add sugar. You're now ready to eat here. Like this, you can have with tea. Now you can have like this. Wow, it's so healthy and tasty. It's natural, it's strong, rich in nutrition. It's very good for health. So it's for dinner. I will cook noodles. These are the homemade noodles. These are so good for health. First you should boil in water.
And
boil it for 15 to 10 minutes. Leave it like this. Okay. Now it's ready to get boiled. Now it's ready to eat. After boiling this, you should get it into your bowl.
Which noodle?
Finally, our noodle is ready to eat. Here how it looks. So this is the noodles. It is handmade noodles. It's very good. Have it like this. You can add the seasoning and garlic, salt. It's so tasty. Very tasty.